Okay, so I've gone and got another clamp, but I've also actually realised what my problem was. So I'm trying to get these to be parallel. Now you can see it pretty clearly. This is the second handle that I made, and I rushed this as I was off camera trying to punch it out. Now, unless they're both going to sit on the same surface nice and flat, which these aren't, don't put them on your job. So I can see it pretty clear that there and there is not quite 90 degrees. So I need to fix that up so that when I put a straight edge across the bottom, that everything's sitting nice and flat. So you can see clear as day there's a big gap there and there. So this handle's a bit dodgy. So I'll fix that up and then I'll restart the video. But this is something to be very mindful of, and I'm glad I actually ran into this problem because from memory it was quite a large problem that everyone had last year as well. So this is something to check. You need to check that these are perfect before you do your final bend, and I suspect that this might have happened doing this bend. They might have just bowed out a little bit, so I'm just going to tweak them back into position. Okay, so I've actually went and put it back into the bender, and I've now got that perfectly flat. So I went back over to the bender over there, and I just put it back in and just tweaked it back to 90, so that's worked out really well. Okay, so I've got that now clamped in position, and I had a little black mark to start off with. That was my 155. I've then used a ruler on this side to get my 155 from the other way. Now that's in position, what you need to do is you need to come through with a spot welder and put two nice really even spots there and there. So worth noting is that I've got this 1 mil down, like I said, from the top edge there, and it's running parallel now with the bend. So I'm happy there. I'm just going to splay these clamps out a little bit, and hopefully that gives me room to bring in my spot welder. Now, I might actually pull this out, hopefully give you a better view of what's going on. So I've got my spot welder there. I should be able to come over the top from memory. If not, yes I can. Awesome. Okay, so I'm looking to do my spot there. I'm just holding that down until it sets, yep. And I'll do my next one over here. Now the clamps are in the way for me to get my second spot, so I'm just going to take this camera off. I'm going to show you. So there's my spot, there and there. Camera's having a hard time focusing on the galvanized steel. But yeah, they're cooled down now, and when I run my finger across, I've got about a mil down from that edge, so it's not getting caught or anything, which is good. Now that I've got those two spots there, I can take these clamps off and do the rest of them. So I'll leave the camera rolling, but I'll speed it up and I'll show you what that looks like.